So you want to become a yacht chef and you don't know where to start? Then this video is for you. I've worked as a yacht chef for the past 13 years and my most recent position was on an 88-meter charter yacht, making $120,000 a year, $50,000 in tips and having half the year off. I figured out early that I like cooking more than anything else. By 18 years old, I finished my 4-year apprenticeship, packed my bags and headed for Europe. I wanted to see what else was out there other than just cooking in the same restaurant day in, day out. After working in various restaurants and chalets around Europe and trying to get multiple jobs as a yacht chef and failing because I was unprepared, I returned to Australia and finally landed my first position on a dive boat cooking on the Great Barrier Reef. From the very beginning, it was a tough start. I suddenly found myself cooking for 40 guests entirely on my own, not knowing what I was walking into, how life actually was on board, or what it took to be a chef at sea. It wasn't glamorous, but it gave me the first real taste of what it means to work in this field. And while I enjoyed the grind, it wasn't all smooth sailing. At one point in my career, I jumped from sole chef on a 37-meter sail yacht to a head chef on an extremely busy 60-meter charter yacht. This was a huge leap and I had absolutely no idea how to do the job. I was lucky enough to have a captain that guided me, but this isn't always the case. That's when the idea for becoming a yacht chef came to life. It's a course I wish I had when I started. The purpose of this course isn't to convince you to become a yacht chef. It's to help you decide if you even want to become a yacht chef and what steps to take if you decide it is for you. It could potentially save you tens of thousands of dollars that you would spend on courses, flying to another country, taking your first job, and realizing this life isn't actually for you. It's a clear, realistic guide for chefs who want to make the jump into yachting and actually fast track your career to making good money and getting your dream job. If you have ever wanted to become a yacht chef but didn't know what it was like, what certificates you needed, or the best path, then you're in the right place. I've been doing this for 13 years and with Become a Yacht Chef, I'll show you exactly what works and what doesn't. Because cooking at sea is completely different from cooking on land. The spaces are smaller, the rhythm changes constantly, you now have roommates and the clients are far more demanding, which means there is nothing they cannot request. Making mistakes is all too easy and I'll help you avoid them. By following my course, you'll see what it's really like to work on yachts. No sugarcoating. You'll receive practical, hands-on tips and advice on how to prepare for this life and work on board. You'll be able to manage small galleys, satisfy your guests, be prepared, and understand what to cook to deliver the best possible service. We'll also explore how to manage your career independently and sustainably without the risk of burnout and stress. Basically, you won't be in the dark anymore. You'll know everything you need to become a top-level yacht chef and hopefully fast-track your career. By joining this course, you'll also receive a complete CV builder guide that helps you look professional and stand out from the crowd, tips on where to find work and the best hiring seasons, advice on where to stay while job hunting, strategies for finding work through agencies and specialized groups. You'll be able to master topics like menu planning, understanding your contracts, using photography to build your personal brand, what yacht you will work on best, cooking for crew, guests, preparing for Atlantic crossings, and smart ways to invest in your future and more. In short, from what it takes to thrive on board to tips about managing menus, time, and the business side of your career. I'll be straight with you from the start because the purpose of this course is for you to decide if you even want to become a yacht chef after completing all the modules. How? If I haven't made that clear enough, what I'm offering you is a complete, honest, and realistic course that will give you all the tools you need to build not only a successful career, but one that respects your well-being. If you've ever thought this could never be me, I'm here to tell you it absolutely can. You just need the right information and a bit of direction. That's because knowing how this really works gives you the confidence to get started. Having all the information you need to build your career, holding a professional, polished CV that you built yourself, and the right experience shows employers that you're the right fit. My real experience will be put entirely at your disposal to support you in this journey. No more double shifts, no more hectic restaurant life. You get the freedom of a life and career spent at sea. New views, new ports, new adventures, all expenses covered, and most importantly, incredible financial benefits including huge salaries and massive tips. This course is the first step towards a career you've always dreamt of. So if you're serious about getting started, all you have to do is click the link below and I'll see you soon.